In front of me is Asus ZenFone 12 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to hit Passwords and Accounts. Then hit Open under Google and choose Google Password Manager. Now tap on Add Password and input all of those informations. Select an app or input an address, then username, email or phone number, passwords, and even some helpful notes. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!